In the aftermath of a deadly terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, India has launched a sweeping deportation campaign targeting undocumented migrants. The move has sparked praise from some quarters for reinforcing national security, while others warn of rising human rights violations. At the center of the debate lies one question: where does a nation draw the line between protecting its borders and protecting its people? On April 22, 2025, a horrific terror attack unfolded in Baisaran Valley, a scenic tourist area near Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Gunmen opened fire on a group of tourists, killing 26 civilians, including Indian vacationers, a Nepali national, and a local Muslim pony handler. Though the victims were not pilgrims, reports suggest attackers questioned religious identities before opening fire, prompting fears of sectarian targeting. The incident shocked the nation and led to the launch of Operation Trinetra, India's multi-agency campaign against cross-border terror threats. As part of its heightened internal security measures, Indian authorities began what they described as a crackdown on illegal immigrants, primarily in Assam, Gujarat, and West Bengal. Thousands of people, mostly Muslim men, were detained in surprise night raids. Officials allege that many are undocumented migrants from Bangladesh, some of whom might be connected to sleeper cells or posing identity risks. The government says the deportation process is lawful and rooted in India's sovereign right to control immigration. But the drive has sparked widespread criticism. Many detainees claim they have lived in India for decades and even possess Aadhaar cards, voter IDs, and birth certificates. There are reports of detentions without court hearings, families being separated, and individuals abandoned at sea or near the Bangladesh border, without confirmation of nationality. Rights groups like Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have called the campaign a violation of international norms, warning of forced statelessness. The UN Human Rights Office has also urged India to suspend deportations that lack transparent legal review. Indian officials maintain that the deportation efforts are targeted, not communal. They argue the crackdown is directed only at those unable to prove citizenship or legal residency, regardless of religion. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval stated that national security must be proactive, not reactive, and that allowing undocumented migrants to remain unchecked poses a long-term threat. The government claims all actions are taken in accordance with legal procedures, and that it has shared intelligence with Bangladesh regarding returnees. The global reaction has been cautious but concerned. Bangladesh has officially objected to receiving individuals it does not recognize as citizens, stating it will not accept returnees without documentation. Meanwhile, Pakistan has condemned the deportations as ethnic cleansing, though India has dismissed the remark as political posturing. International observers have urged India to ensure due process, transparency, and humane treatment, especially when dealing with vulnerable populations. India today stands at a delicate crossroads where national security, civil liberties, and humanitarian values intersect. The government sees these actions as necessary to maintain order and prevent future threats. But critics warn of a dangerous precedent, where people can be erased not just from borders, but from identity itself. As the dust settles, one thing remains clear: security without justice may protect the state, but not its soul.